Hello. It's been quite a while that I have this now. So long. Holy shit. Wow. Anyway, today we're going to be stupid and have a whole spoonful of this. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck. Alright, so. In. Fuck. Yeah, totally just fucked that up. Ain't gonna cut that shit out. Whatevs. Anyway, to say the best. I do have videos coming out with this. Besides eating this, my main thought is that never give up on what you believe in. Keep on strolling. These are my famous last words, by the way. Never give up on your dreams. Keep on pursuing. And no matter how bad it seems that time, everything is temporary. Nothing is forever. So, I'm gonna fucking die. It won't come out. I just got some on my arm. Dude, this shit is thick. Like triple C thick. Alright. So you guys can see. Yeah, not a spoonful, but I kind of don't want to die. So, feck you. Please like and subscribe to the shit I go through. I don't have many subscribers, but hell, I put everything into each one of my videos. So please love me. I'm gonna die. Alright. Bon apple tea. Yeah. Oh. 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 There's the hiccups. Shit. Oh. Oh. Fuck. Why do I do this? And by the way, you see this? I have two. Yeah. Ow. Ow. So hot. Fuck. As I said before, never give up on your dreams. Always do what you need to. Keep working. Believe in yourself. Manifest anything in your life and it will happen. This gap is sweating. Yeah, that's my Discord in the background. They're just blowing it up. Anyway, even when you're in a rut, there's always positive. Like, for the past 2 days now, I've been sulking over something I can't control. And at one point, I'm just like, let the demons come. I don't care. But then you laugh it off because it doesn't really matter. Like, the smallest things you think that matter really don't. Now I'm talking Irish. But literally, our lives are small. You embrace every moment, every thought, every action, every just being there. Just embrace that fucking shit. I can say about a year ago, I wasn't happy where I was. I was stuck in a rut, wasn't making anything, losing everything. And all my life changed. I've lost completely everyone. Lost all my friends, lost my girlfriend, lost respect. But ever since then, it was fine. It's fine by me if I lost all that, because I'm a new person. So, you may think something bad is there, but it's just a new start. It's just something new that's going to change your whole life forever. And the shit that I went through, it changed my life forever. I'm a whole new person than I used to be. Like, holy shit. It's good. Anyway, did my video. You like, subscribe, fucking do whatever the fuck you want. It doesn't matter. So, I do have a Streamlabs thing that you can donate to me now. I set that up. That was kind of cool. Anyway, yeah. Embrace your life. Because you're on this earth for not much time. So have fun. Green King out. In a generic way.